How to change language to English on YouTube TV. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language to English when using YouTube TV.
So to get started, sometimes your interface or audio language might default to something else, especially if you recently traveled or use a shared device. Luckily, it's an easy fix. To change the app interface language, go to your device's language settings. YouTube TV follows your device language. On Android or iOS, go to Settings, General, Language, and make sure your English is selected. If you're on a browser, change your Google account language by visiting myaccount.google.com, Data and Personalization, and then Language. For changing the language of a specific show or movie, just hit the three dots or settings icon while playing the video. Look for audio or subtitles and select English just like in Netflix. But when you're using the YouTube TV on your TV, you can simply go on your YouTube TV app and then go to the settings icon right here. Once you're in here, just click on this language section under the language and location. Now, what you have to do is to just click on this language and then select the language that you prefer. These settings usually stick, but if not, try clearing cache or restarting the app after saving your changes. But if you're using a YouTube TV on your TV itself, you won't have to do this all the time. It usually just saves since your TV doesn't go anywhere anyway. And that's how you change the language to English on YouTube TV.